A chilly start first thing, then a fine day ahead with plenty of sunshine. But how long will the settled weather last? I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday, 6.
What time was your carriage?
It was at some point today. But I won't
Today?
tell you.
It was
I won't tell you what.
That's a win.
We left at like 9:45 thinking, what a late night.
But it was
Laura's
only
still revving up.
because we actually were winners because ITV won Channel of the Year.
Yes.
And that was the last award, so I thought it was best to stay for that one.
Pickled eggs all round.
Yeah. I didn't wear a watch. Very nice. I don't know if you have a picture of Ed graciously. So it's set to turn colder, maybe even a little bit of snow. And a lot of people have been saying, you know, it's been beautiful. We've had sunshine. How long is this settled weather going to last? When is it going to turn stormy? I can show you. With a special graphic, we don't show this very often. In fact, I last showed it around about 6 months ago. So the Met Office give forecasts, like I do every day, for hot, cold, wet, dry. But they also give predictions of whether the weather will be settled or unsettled. So yesterday, the forecast, looking ahead, was red. So we just have these boxes, and anything that is red is high pressure. High pressure means it's settled, maybe chasing areas of cloud. If we have blue in the list, it means that we're going to see low pressure, stormy conditions, wet and windy. And basically, the outlook right through until the 20th of February is that it is set to be red, which means it's settled. So that is good news. And actually, if we look back at the forecast from yesterday, the day before, the day before, the day before that, the point is that the forecast stays red. The consistency means that all of our models for days and days and days have been saying until the 20th it stays red, which means it's high pressure all the way. But from the 21st onwards, that is when our stormy, wet and windy weather looks set to return. So if you're enjoying the weather we've got right now, you'll be pleased to see it's here to stay for a while. So Andy is here, and he was pointing that way. That way is south. But my map is going to go this way, north, to us in the UK, and high pressure sits across the country. And it's high pressure that acts like a force field, and it does an incredible job of blocking weather fronts progressing from the west or from the east time of year. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. So we divide the country in half. The north of the UK is leads northwards. And first off, we look at our trend in temperature. The white line is average, where they should be for the time of year, as it sits today. But the trend is for it to turn colder through the weekend, and it stays cold into next week as well. Percentage chance of rainfall, we just increase the amount of cloud we have. So today, tomorrow, beautiful sunshine. Through the weekend and next week, more cloud means it's largely dry, but the chance of the odd spot of rain, and even when it turns colder, the odd snow flurry. Fortunes further south of England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, our trend for our temperature is for it to be average and then turn colder as we head through to next week. And percentage chance of rainfall, again, fine and dry for the next few days, but a little bit cloudy and grey as we head through the weekend and next week. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Today we're greeted by a cold, frosty start, but it means that there's plenty of sunshine around as well. Clearer skies across central areas. That's where we have some of our lowest temperatures first thing this morning, widely below freezing. You may need to scrape your windscreen, but don't forget, other than the extra layer, your sunglasses, because you will need those too. And other than some patchy cloud developing across the far southeast later as the breeze freshens, it's beautiful blue skies that take us through the day. 6 to 9 degrees should feel very nice indeed. Tonight, it stays clear and cold across Scotland and Northern Ireland, with that frost returning. A little more cloud through parts of England and Wales means for many it will be frost-free first thing. And so tomorrow's a bit of a divided outlook. We stick with the sunshine across Scotland and Northern Ireland, but for England and Wales, a little more cloud and feeling colder tomorrow.